Okay, students, now we'll study medical termination of the pregnancy. It's called MTP. MTP is also called abortion. Okay, what is called one more name? It's called abortion. MTP means medical termination of the pregnancy. Is it required? Abortion is required. Yes, it's required in some other, like some special cases, not the all cases. Which all the cases we'll study now. Okay. Abortion mainly in the world there is 40 to 50. Okay, there are 40 to 50. Okay, you may consider abortions. Okay, which maybe million together abortions happen in the world. Okay, it's happened in the world. Okay, there will be 45 to 50 million. Okay, which was the statistics given to us in the world. Okay. Indirectly, I may say that it is reducing the population. Again, the population, if you reduce because of the abortion, again it is a debatable thing. Okay, debatable. The sentence itself is a debatable. Okay, if you are doing abortion, again reducing the population, again it's a debatable. Why it is debatable? Because it contains ethical, emotional, social, all those aspects you need to take. Religious also. Okay, some religious people don't want to do abortion. Even though we have identified the abnormalities in the fetus, they don't want to do. They think that it's a crime of killing the baby. What? It is a crime of killing the baby in some religious, okay, religious practices we can say. Okay. Now coming to the point. Okay, MTP's first trimester is safe. How can you tell it's a safe? First trimester. Okay, trimester is of 3 months. Means 3 months means what? Okay, how many months? 4, 8, 12. 12 months. Okay, 12 weeks. Okay, 12 weeks. In that, assume, in that fetus is formed. It is easy to remove, okay, with less pain by tablets or other medications, okay. But in order to remove, okay, fetus from the uterus, again you need to consult the doctors or the gynec. Okay, you need to consider the practitioner gynec or the doctor who is expert in that particular thing. Okay, especially when you come to this one, you should consult doctors or the gynec. They will suggest, they will do ultrasound, then see the fetus, okay, fetus size and growth, then they will decide what to do. You should not decide, doctor will decide. Okay, you should align his decision or her decision. Mainly tablets will come, or RU486 is called Mifeprex. It is also called Mifepristone combined with misoprostol. This is a combination of tablet. It's called abortion tablet. It's called abortion tablet. It is called what is called? It's called abortion tablet. It's available in the market. But before consuming this kind of tablets, okay, abortion tablet, you should consult a doctor. You should not directly go to the pharmacy or medic and ask. You should do not ask for this kind of medication, because you don't know what kind of side effect after consuming. You may consume, okay, after that what kind of side effect you will face. If started heavy bleeding, what will happen? Started heavy like a stomach pain or pelvic region pain. You don't know, right? What all the future things will happen after the consumption of this kind of tablets. You should consult the doctor before doing this kind of activities. Okay, just for your knowledge purpose, we are teaching here, but you should not consume. You should consult a doctor, then you should take the decision. Next, coming to next point, in 1971, okay, in 1971, Indian government legalized the MPP. Which all cases Indian government is legalized? Okay, when it is done, even though you have used contraceptives, but pregnancies happen. First case, second, rape. When rape victim is getting the pregnancy, means rape happen, that kind you can terminate the pregnancy. Third most thing, when mother or any lady who is mentally challenging, it's mentally ill, we can say. Okay, she is not mentally ill and she is unable to take care herself. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಳೇನಾಗಿರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಇಲ್ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ ತಾಯಿ, ಅವಳಿಗೆ ತನ್ನನ್ನು ತಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನು ಮಗು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ, ಮಗು ಡಿಲಿವರಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. And some other cases, special childs. If a lady is special, means handicapped, mentally ill and disease, so many diseases, then if she get pregnant by chance, that time also we can terminate the pregnancy. Okay, that act was passed 1971. 1972 that came into the picture. Again it was revised at 1975. It was revised at 1975. Okay, to prevent the illegal female feticides. Means as soon as in the first trimester only, as soon as you do ultrasound or sonography, okay, if doctor says this is a female fetus, then in some religious practices they don't want a female fetus. Means they don't want a baby girl, they want only baby boy. Some of the practices are still there in our society. You should overcome. You should be responsible citizen of the India. Either it may be a girl or a boy, both are equal. Nowadays in a society, both are getting equal respect, equal education. Okay, everything they have the reservation like a male. Okay, few decades and few years back the picture was not clear. Now picture is very much clear. Everyone, all are equal now. Okay, you should not terminate. If fetus is female, you should not terminate. Okay, that you should educate the village people or who don't know. Okay, that kind of education they have not gone. You should explain. If you notice that one, you should explain. Either girl or boy, both are getting safe. Let it be the, if it is fetus is normal, no diseases, no abnormalities, no chromosomal disease, no genetical disease, it's growing healthy, then leave it. It's male or female, let it be. It is given by God. Like that you should think, and you should make the parturition. Up to parturition or a gestation period, you should carry that fetus. Next, reason for terminating the MPP, as I already told, unprotected sex. Okay, pregnancy due to the casual sex. They have forward to use the protection. Protection means condoms or cervical caps or silicone caps. And failure of the contraceptive. Sometimes whichever the contraceptive you used, copper T, cervical caps, so many things will be there. They fail to do their work. They fail to do their work. That kind of pregnancy happens by luck. That time you can terminate. Rape. Okay. Next, harmful for the fetus or mother when pregnancy. This is nothing but when pregnancy is harmful. Okay, this is when it is coming diseases, chromosomal disorders, genetical disorders. Okay, stillbirth. Okay, that kind of situation is there. The fetus is already died inside the womb, uterus. That time you can terminate. If it is keeping that one, again it is harmful for the mother. If fetus has abnormalities like chromosomal abnormalities or genetical abnormalities, if it is again we came to know that there is abnormality, then terminate it. If you fail to do so, what will happen? When parturition will happen, when baby got delivered, okay, it is difficult to raise in the society because it is very challenging. If handicapped, mentally disorder, okay, child to grow in this current society is very difficult because someone there to take care, because parents, how many years will be there with that child? Assume if parents has a age of 30, the baby born at the age of 30, then next 30 to 40 years will be there with that infant, like a physically challenged infant or special child we can say. So lifelong there is someone like assistance need for that kind of babies. Okay, instead of that, if we terminate, okay, at a first trimester or second trimester, it's well and good. Okay, we'll discuss a little bit about second trimester. If pregnancy goes behind second means in behind first trimester, it is in second trimester. Second trimester means 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months. What all things will happen? What all things will happen? Okay, if they forgot after 6 months, okay, amniosynthesis. Okay, amniosynthesis. They came to know that there is a disorder. Okay, there is a disorder in the growing fetus. That time, when it is up to 2 months, what I told is an embryo, non-cartilaginous, bone form ಆಗಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. After third month till 9 months is called fetus. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Bone formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, cartilage ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, how much difficult it is, because at the month of termination, 4th month, 5th month, 6th month, if you want to terminate the pregnancy, okay, doctor has to insert surgical equipments through vaginal cavity, through cervix. It has to go uterus. Doctor will literally cut the limbs or digits, and okay, they will literally, okay, make the section of the pieces, like all pieces like this. They will cut piece by piece and they will take it out. It's a very like a painful process for mother, okay, because it's literally bones will be there, bones formation is there. We need to, because we can't take it through vaginal cavity whole fetus, because cervix dilation will not happen that time. Okay, because of that we need to cut the fetus in a smaller size, means smaller pieces, then take it out using the surgical equipments. After that one, okay, before that, okay, this during trimester you should consult 2 doctors. Okay, you should take the opinion of 2 gynecologists or the 2 doctors. Why should I take 2 doctors? Is there any reason? Yes, reason is there. Some diseases we should take 2 options. If any disease related to heart, any disease related to cancer, if instead of 1, 2 is better. Means both opinions are same, then go for the termination of the baby. Okay, how they terminate? They will do one ultrasound before, means sonography. Okay, they will do first. They will analyze the fetus position and fetus abnormalities. Then they will, using surgical instruments, they will remove the fetus, they will flush out the uterus clearly. After that they will do ultrasound once again they will do. After the surgical procedure completes, a few days they will give some antibiotics or some tablets, painkiller tablets, because if we cut open all the fetus, there will be bleeding from the endometrium, bleeding, shedding has to takes place. There are so many things, okay, little bit amniotic fluid flow outs, bleeding of the fetus, and so many things will be there. Okay, that has to be completely removed from the uterus, and the pain will be more. Doctor will give some antibiotics which stop the inflammation and some of the painkillers. If it is not clearly flushed out, it may chances of inflammation and infection in the uterus, and also infertility. Okay, it should not be any piece of the fetus should not live inside the uterus, and also it leads to sometimes cancer growth. Infection, inflammation, and cancer growth. may happens in the uterus or cervical region. Okay, this is clearly explains second trimester. What happened third trimester? Third trimester, if you identify any birth disorders, then it's no chance. Surgically, like a cut open through C-section, then we need to remove the baby in order to save the mother. Okay, that time there is no like possibilities, because complications are more and doctor has to take decision. That time they will go for abdominal cut, then they will take out the stillbirth. Sometimes usually stillbirth babies are more cases in the third trimester we can see. Okay, some radiologists are unable to analyze fetus condition when it comes to 7th and 8th month. That time some people realize the fetus growth is not proper, and abnormalities are seen. That time they go for our fetus is dead inside the uterus, inside the womb. Okay, that was unnoticed, or this woman or the mother not went for proper scanning or the proper it's not diagnosed properly by the doctor or the radiologist. In that case, it's very difficult. Okay, that time there is no chance. In order to save her life, she has to go for surgical removal of the fetus. Okay, there will be abdominal cut procedure will be taken. Okay, OT, then like that they will remove the fetus. Okay, third trimester very difficult to remove the fetus if it is abnormalities. Okay. This completes the MTP, medical termination of the pregnancy. Okay. Okay, the tablets which are consuming abortion pills, make sure that you should not be self-owned doctors. Okay, should not think that you studied and you are no. Some tablets you should have knowledge, but instead of you are having knowledge, you should consult a doctor before taking any medication. Why we are teaching everything is here means to know about what kind of tablets should take. Okay, just a knowledge purpose. It's not, we are not dictating any prescription for particular diseases. Okay, this is only for educational purposes. Okay, this completes the MTP, medical termination of the pregnancy or the abortion or the abortion. Okay, next we'll go for discuss about some of the studies and art. We'll discuss next. Okay, thank you.